An introduction to artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence (AI) refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to mimic human cognitive functions such as learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and natural language processing. AI has become increasingly popular in recent years and has already made significant impacts on various industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, and entertainment. There are different types of AI, including rule-based systems, machine learning, and deep learning. Rule-based systems use a set of predefined rules to make decisions, while machine learning algorithms use statistical techniques to identify patterns in data and improve their performance over time. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks with multiple layers to process information. AI has many applications, including image and speech recognition, natural language processing, autonomous vehicles, virtual assistants, and personalized healthcare. It is also used for predictive analytics and decision-making in business and finance. AI also raises important ethical and societal concerns, including job displacement, bias in decision-making, privacy concerns, and the potential for misuse by malicious actors. Overall, AI has the potential to revolutionize various aspects of human life, but it is important to approach its development and use with caution and consideration for its potential impacts.